You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. Topics we are going to be discussing today. Former unruly member JaFrass, this Popcaan wicked, and Marianne threatens to sue for defamation of character. You know that Obeha talk there? Anyway, people, we are going to listen to some tracks, and when we get back, we go straight into the stories.
Tell your children black is beautiful. To be alive is a whole lot of privilege. Education is the key to rule the world. You don't need to be white to be a pretty girl. Tell your children black is beautiful.
Nah, telling a lie, Chanel Muir, I love this one. I hope the people support the song. You know what I mean? Black is beautiful. There's nothing not to support about this song. Unless you don't like your color, I don't know. But Chanel, big up yourself.
Reach too far for we stop ya now. Can't drop off at the top ya now. Me and my dogs, them a chop ya now. See you fi talk to we proper now.
This one is from Versi and it's entitled Perseverance. And Versi, he had do some good tracks from the other day. I know say a foolish me I talk about from the other day. Versi been always doing some good tracks. You know what I mean? So people, just go over Versi page, go subscribe to him, listen to him tracks them, and watch him video them. Versi a Portland youth, and you know some always and forever rep Portland.
Reach too far for we stop ya now. Can't drop off at the top ya now. Me and my dogs, them a chop ya now. Girl, too good. Oh me, oh my. Oh me, oh my. Girl, me not telling no lie.
People, this one is entitled Oh Me, Oh My, and a Benson Click Star sing it, and me are telling you the truth. Me can't play the full video. That video you are steamy. That song here supposed to be on your list when you shorty forward over. Yeah, you know, I do that something there. And that song you will help put her in the mood. People, check out this one. Oh Me, Oh My. It have a vibes.
Girl, too good. Oh me, oh my. Oh me, oh my.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes. Chaddy Murray TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
Minister Marianne Hall promised legal action over Obeha claims. Minister Marianne Hall is not turning the other cheek when it comes to dealing with what she says are defamatory statements made about her over the past several months. In her Sunday sermon yesterday, Hall said that she will be taking the legal route to deal with the perpetrators. Marianne said, and I quote, "As we speak, my lawyer is putting together some papers because some people are going to be sued. People who are saying things and don't have any proof will have to go to court to prove it. Things are being said about me. I Obeha and kill people and all of that. So some people are going to be in court for it." End quote. This comes days after a video surfaced online. In the video, a woman goes by the name Divine claimed that Lady saw bewitched and quote-unquote Obeha J Capri. As a result, she died.
Yes, I'm not going to tell the people J Capri death is you, Obeha. Is you kill J Capri. Is you kill J Capri. J Capri was an artist that rising on speed rapid internationally. And you bewitch her.
Popcaan allegedly rushed JaFrass. In a recent Instagram story post, JaFrass said this: "B-man Popcaan, don't send no punk if try diss me, cause me and you know that no possible. Behave your shit up self, punk."
Before me left my gun, me rather left road. cause it's a dead zone. You can't trust mankind, you can't trust phone.
My question is, why Popcaan and him friend them always in some things? You see me? In recent times, we see Popcaan fall out with multiple persons in the industry. You see me? Quada, JaFrass, Cuz, and a bunch of other people. We never too have to go in them argument there. We just know say Popcaan and him friend them ever in some things. So, is it Popcaan the problem? Or Popcaan always just attract some bad friend, quote unquote? Then again, him and JaFrass stop deal for over a year now. Where it forward publicly, a matter of fact, about 2 years. Zine went forward publicly, cause if you don't remember a year before last, that in 2020, a big something that go on the net between Not Nice, Popcaan, and you remember that little drama there. And now we see 2022, allegedly, cause we still don't know if it's true, we have to go off for allegedly, according to JaFrass, Popcaan send man for come page JaFrass. Ja no still. I don't know. I don't know if you think about that. But I want on the thoughts, I want on the views in the comment section below. Because them thing you can't just happen to Popcaan so. One person just happen to every time. One person. It just happen over and over and over and over and over again. Well, I don't know any brother. But probably you need to look into yourself and start evaluate yourself to see if you are the problem. You see me? Because so much people cannot tell lie on you. That's so much people cannot tell lie on you. But anyway, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. People, don't forget to click my link tree and then you'll find everything that I'm doing over there. You know, all of the people where we are try help, all of the merch where we are try sell, all of the social media page them where we control. Alright, look right in the description or in the comment section, you're gonna see it. Check me out on Linktree, or I should say check out my links on Linktree. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. I'm gone.
Girl, you too good. Oh me, oh my. Oh me, oh my. Girl, me not telling no lie.